Welcome to another Audi A3 repair video. In this video we are going to replace the master window switch. This is a common problem on VW products. The windows switches simply wear out and then they don't work anymore. As you can see here, the window will go down, but then to get it back up you sort of have to wiggle it, otherwise it's not going to work. And this made me nervous, since the driver's side window is the only one that's controlled by a single switch. All the other ones obviously have their own switches, so there is some redundancy built in. So I'm going to replace this master switch with a new one, and for that, on this car we will have to remove the door panel. First thing you need to remove is this plastic trim around the door lock buttons. So simply pry it from the bottom and then just sort of gently take it out, otherwise its legs will break off. And then you can see one of the screws, and there will be two more that are holding the door panel in place. I misspoke there, there are actually three more screws. So there's one just here underneath the armrest, and then there are two on the bottom of the door. Once you remove the screws, pry the panel off its snap caps by pulling it towards you. Before you can remove the panel completely, you will have to undo two electrical connectors and the door handle cable. Remove the insulation, and then you will have to remove a bunch of screws that are holding the armrest in place. Now, once you remove all of those screws, you are left with this bit of door handle. And obviously you have to disconnect the wiring for the mirror adjuster. And this right here is the part that we are going to replace. Now this is held in place by four little tabs. One, two, and two more on the other side. And somehow you have to push those in and pull the whole thing down. Here is the old one, it's out. And we need a new one. Now, as they say on cookery shows, here's one I made earlier. This is a cheap Chinese pot. I bought it off eBay for £10. So as long as it fits and it works, it's good enough for me. So here are the new switches installed, and they work. In fact, the one touch function came back as well. Okay, thanks for watching.